asking them a question. The very typical question would be, are you looking to buy or sell? Buy, sell. So not only do I want to fetch, I mean, that's the bare bones need of an integration. I want the people who fill out the form to be going into Chime. Great. That's what PieSync will do, definitely. But it can do more than that, right? It's about making sure that the people who are saying that their intent is to buy, you're not only putting them in Chime, but you're making sure that, well, how are you using it? How do you want to register this intent? You probably want to update their lead type with a buyer. You probably also want to update the source if they didn't exist yet. Let's make sure that you can at the end of the day, if you want to do like month by month reporting over in Chime, which Chime is great at, you want to do your monthly views, like what's our funnel looking like? Well, update the source, because you want to make sure that people who fill out this particular form are being assigned to either this agent, or you let the Chime routing engine do its work based on another property. So this rule engine really puts you in the driver's seat as to how you want this integration to behave. So it requires a little bit of thinking on the user's end, but we found that this is really how most integrations should behave, rather than just hitting a button like, oh yeah, magically link it up. And then you don't really get to see or understand how the data moves from left to right. So we hope folks like getting this control.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, it's because people will first ask for an integration, and when that's what they ask for. They ask for the integration, but they don't tell us how they want things to be integrated, or what rules, or what to include, what not to include. You get to make your own rules. Like, you're in control of your business, and PieSync isn't syncing it to Chime without you first deciding this is how you want it to work together.